So why do I buy gold and silver but not cryptocurrencies? To start off, I buy gold and silver because it's tangible. It's something that is real. I know how to understand supply and demand. I know, like silver, why there is demand. Just to start off, I know that there's demand on silver because there is a portion it's a limited resource who is buying it to store wealth. People like me to speculate with the gold and silver ratio. There is a lot of that going on with silver. That's where some of the demand comes from. And that demand comes from the industrial side of everything. It's basically saying I believe that there's going to be industry that will, using silver, that will pick up, such as compact technologies, such as solar panels, things like that. All this technology where you need to keep things small. There's going to be a lot of solar panels being built too. They take a lot of silver. And it's being mandated as well. It's not just, oh, we are speculating on it. There's some real evidence to show exactly how much will be used as a baseline figure coming up in the future. There's some concrete things that I just cannot see changing. It could, there is a small percentage of possibility that it could, but it makes me extremely confident that that demand will be there. There might be, they might only be using 60% of the silver that they would have, but because different technologies, things like that can change, different ways of building things, and yeah, so that's kind of my thoughts on it. And so when it comes to gold, it's got a history of being a store of value, a way to hedge yourself against inflation. There is some industrial applications for gold, and if it drops too low, those applications will start being increased and used in many more ways. Gold, it could be, if there is nothing to use gold for, nobody wants to speculate with it, industry will start using it to do things like plate, other applications so that it doesn't oxidize, things like that. There is potential. There's only so far it can drop because of the industrial applications it could potentially be used for. Even though that's not where it gets any of its value today, that is the backstop on gold. There is a backstop there. It is a tangible asset. There is only so much to be mined. Now I'm going to get into cryptocurrencies here. I'm not talking down cryptocurrencies, I just don't understand it. Because I started buying gold to hedge myself against all these. I don't really believe in the digital illusions of wealth. I just don't. Dollar symbols in the bank account don't mean a whole lot. The value of those dollar symbols, I don't even know why it has value to begin with. All these dollar symbols in the bank account. Why would I believe cryptocurrencies have value? It's just digits on the screen, same kind of thing. I don't understand why there would be demand for it. I kind of see it as video game money. If everyone's into a video game, that video game's money or whatever it has is going to be valuable to people. People aren't into video games forever, and things change. I've seen these people will spend a ridiculous amount on video games and things like that. It's crazy. I kind of see it as the same thing. I don't really understand it because there might only be one Bitcoin or this coin or that coin, but there's going to be all this momentum trading and, oh, there's a new coin, let's keep going into investing in that coin and this coin and that coin. And it tends to be the people that I know who have invested in Bitcoin, they started just investing in all these other coins. They want this one, that one, this one, that one. It's just saying, it's almost like cryptos is just its own thing. And if you're buying, it seems like people who buy one coin tend to start buying all these other coins. And then there's going to be new coins and new coins and new coins, and I just don't understand why they have value to begin with. That's just my personal opinion though. I don't see, if I were to create my own currency digitally or something like that, I don't know why anyone would buy it. I kind of see that as the same thing with others that they created. It just doesn't make sense. I'm not talking down to it, I just don't understand where the demand comes from. And if you guys do know and want to educate me, I'd love to know, I'm all ears. That's just kind of my thoughts. Limited resource, more and more cryptocurrencies, different coins and all this. Over time, I don't think anyone can predict the future perfectly. I believe that there's going to be flaws in every algorithm written, and in today's world it might make perfect sense, but in tomorrow's it might not. There is a lot going on that could change very fast, and a lot faster than people think, as 2020 has shown. And it's high right now. It's the highest it's basically ever been. I'm not going to be, as everyone knows, my attitude is don't buy the hype. Be fearful when others are greedy. I like that expression. And be greedy when others are fearful. That's just my investing strategy and how I speculate and everything. Once things start to go up, I'm not a momentum trader. I don't buy because the prices started moving. I buy because, hey, this is cheap now. Now I'm gonna buy it. That's just my thoughts though, that's just my opinions. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions. So, comment down below. Please like, share, subscribe. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks.